students, will continue with our chapter 6, the next topic. Earlierly we had completed the understanding the current market engines which are being used, and we had completed till the software blender. Now we will be going through understanding the AR, VR and MR. AR stands for augmented reality, VR stands for virtual reality, and MR stands for the combination of both. So we'll check whatever is there further, but first we'll be going with augmented reality. We'll be learning augmented reality and the applications of augmented reality. So what is augmented reality actually? Which is not actually real, but it is augmented. It is created in such a way that people prefer it as real only. So making an augmented reality encounter, so making it means only creating it like a visualization, so that multi-organized process, that is multi-organizedly one process is going on, from improvement of the 3D models to the innovation. Now with 3D, one more very upgradation has come, that is innovation that powers the image tracking and depth sensing. So increasing the width level as well as the modeling level of the image can be termed as an augmented reality or augmented process. So each progression is a natural procedure. So each progression, each change in the augmented process is a natural procedure. 3D craftsmen utilize, so 3D creation people, the 3D modules who make, utilize a few programming programs like SketchUp, Cinema 4D, Blender and numerous more to make 3D models. So under augmented reality, the softwares or the processes or the programs which are used are SketchUp, then Cinema 4D, Blender and numerous more to make 3D models. So augmented reality is created in such a way. So now further, the procedure begins with a rough sketch. So first a rough sketch is being drawn, and then it goes through various series of approval, then aids in refining the thought of, and hence prompts finish image. So first it's only a normal sketch, then it is developed with various approval series, and at the end of finished image, after refining each and every node, what is being drawn is the finished image. After the image is acknowledged, after the image finishing is done, then the next step is modeling, which is started for augmented reality. Following stage is to apply the model's skin, which is called the texture mapping. So each and every model's layer, first layer is being done, and that is called as texture map. So texture map offers authenticity to the model and can be styled to fit the requirement of the task. Now it is designed in such a way, or that skin texturing is done in such a way that it will fit that model in the required environment of that particular 3D modulation. After the completion of 3D model, it experiences the rendering process, moving movements, all these capturing, lightning, shading, all these processes are done, and for a total AR to encounter, so total augmented reality to work, all these experiences of rendering process are being taken out. So the next is applications of augmented reality. So where is being actually your augmented reality working? So we'll go one by one. First is the medical constraints. So in what medical, augmented reality gives you a shrouded data to the surgeon, like rate of the pulse, condition of the individual's organ, circulatory strain and so forth. Yes, obviously nowadays pumping of the heart can also be heard, that is we can listen the pumping of the heart, as well as we can see the heart moving in our body also through the 3D modulation process, that is augmented reality process. So that is done by all these augmented reality techniques. That is in medical level, pulse checking, your actual pulse rate, that is your heartbeat, then your conditions of individual organ, your heart, your lungs, your kidney, all the moving organs can be checked through 3D modulation in the medical part. Then circulatory strain is your brain structure, can also be checked with the 3D modulation. in AR, that is augmented reality. Augmented reality can be helpful for enabling a surgeon to peer inside the patient by joining one wellspring of pictures like X-ray with another, for example video. It can likewise improve review at a FET as inside a mother's womb. Yes, nowadays all the sonography procedures, all the X-rays are done by augmented reality processes, on which one sheet is being put, and on that the lightning process is being put, so that the sheet produces that particular image, 3D image, onto your sheet for an picture to be seen, so which helps the medical level, that is the medical field or the doctors, for the particular surgeries. Next, second is the military augmented reality can be utilized to show genuine battlefield. Now battlefields in the face of your screening can be seen with the help of augmented reality. Arcane built up an animated territory that could be utilized for military intercession with the existence of augmented reality. So Arcane has built up an augmented animated territory so that it can be utilized for military intercession, how they can go on the battlefields, all those things. For instance, for example, a soldier could utilize extraordinary sort of indicators. He can keep those AR indicators to check different sort of objects. Now they can check whether any object is hidden there for the battlefield. They can check the potential threats also through those objects. So all this can be possible in the military field. Next is the marketing field. Now marketing requires a lot of conveniencing to the customers. So car industry has had right off the bat utilized AR for different promoting purposes. Different organizations have printed extraordinary kind of flyers that were perceived by webcams. They could make a 3D show that has been, yes, nowadays if you go to a car showroom, they will show you the car modulation through all the procedures, that a car is moving, the parts inside the car, how the car is functioning, what all functions are there into that car. So all these marketing department has those 3D flyers to show it to the customers so that they can buy it or they can attract the customers. Next is the navigation. Now navigating is moving from one place to another and being in contact with the people. So how is that possible? Augmented reality can be utilized for different route gadgets. So routing means connecting. Information can be appeared on the windshield to show meter, landscape, destination, directions, climate, traffic, road conditions, cautions to potential dangers in their path. Nowadays you have Google Map. Wherever you go, you just click on that Google Map and you check your directions. You can check the further traffic, you can check the directions on which you want to move, you can check the current climate, you can check the destination where you want to reach, what is beside those destination, how many landscapes are there, how many meters we have to cover. So all these things can be done in navigation field with the help of AR. It can likewise permit connect watch standards. Yes, it also gives you the time constraint in how much time you can reach. You'll take 10 minutes, you'll take 1 hour. You can just locate your navigating process time as well as the location where you want to reach. Is there any traffic there? Is there any speed recovery is not possible? The roads are not good. All such things can be done through AR using the navigation. Next is entertainment. Now when we talk about entertainment, it can be augmented reality is used in the field of entertainment for games, sports. So first example of games is your 3D games. Nowadays you had Pokemon Go, you had then you had chess, there were many games, you had PUBG. All such games are 3D modulation games that are done using augmented reality. You do not know further what process you are going to get, but you are playing and it comes on repeating of the process, and you get a you get an augmented result, and you get play, win, again you can start the process. Likewise you have sports like swimming, football, then race tracks, different game conditions are there, virtual advertisements, product placements, and numerous more. So nowadays TV advertisements, your TV serials, all such things come in the augmented reality process. You get a very clear view of all those pictures. Then you have AR recreations like Quake, Game City, and numerous more games also in the entertainment field. Next one is education and training. So installed makers can be utilized as a part of educational materials, which when checked by an AR gadget produces data in multimedia format, which causes the student to think about different subjects. Yes, obviously, if we take this in the education world, what will happen is augmented reality will give the students a future view of what they can do in their study part. Means if a student has done the work, they can upload it in the form of data, and that will be converted into multimedia, which will be easy to complete as well as easy to go through. That is, reading and writing could be easily done, and as well they will get a new ideas to look over to their study parts. Next is office. Then cooperation in office spaces in another zone where AR may be important by giving joint effort. So AR nowadays in office is also possible with the help of methods like bona fide virtual individuals signing the single program, then meetings over the globe, that is email meetings, your video conferencing. Then you have touch screen tables for joining the data or merging the data. Then you have shared diagram spaces for checking the work trend every day. You have whiteboards on augmented reality to check the actual work process going on. So all these things can be conceptualization only, they are not yet into process. So these are the applications where you can use augmented reality. And now these are only the applications which we have, is not compulsory. You can have another fields also in the augmented reality world. If you want, you can add on into this. The next one is virtual reality. Now what does virtual reality means? Eyes are certain with width isolated, and which suggests when some individual looks challenged, each eye sees at some degree indisputable perspective of that question. There is their mind then strategies these two pictures to outline a 3D pictures to outline a 3D picture. So what will happen is my virtual reality is virtually I am seeing an image, it is moving, and it is moving n number of times, and that is the reason I can see that image 100 times moving, which is actually not possible. That image is a single image. This is a virtual creation of your technique. In such a way they had made it that virtually you can see that image moving, but actually it is not moving. It is just a conception of your eyes. So VR gadgets work completely. So VR virtual reality gadgets work likewise only. The underlying section of the system is reproducing both the left and right eyes purposes of C with two one beside alternate pictures. Yes, obviously, if I keep one image, both the sides dividing, same picture on both the sides of x axis and the y axis, what I can see when I see it from a certain distance is two different images. But if I slightly bring it closer backwards, what will happen is it will be seen as a moving picture for me, but whereas it is not moving actually. So this is known as stereoscopic imaging. So this part of moving the object with just the distances covered of that object only many times can be called as stereoscopic imaging. The immersive picture is the gadget's capacity to track the head development with no slack or inactivity as the customer looks at to the virtual world. I feel it's moving, but it's not moving. So tracking back the customer's eye so that people feel that virtually it is somewhere moving with the help of lighting and shading, and just adding on the moving objects can be an immersive picture only. It's nothing actual in real. So this requires a couple of sensors. Now these things require what? Sensors, sensing technology, with which people feel that yes, it is getting touch, it is getting felt somewhere. But including the gyrometers, accelerometers, what's more, that is only the start. So with the help of gyrometers and accelerometers, we can just do this in one quick start. So we'll stop here for this topic. We'll continue in the further topic in the next lecture. Thank you.